What about the makeup?
Pardon?
What about the makeup?
Men?
No. What about the
Makeup. Oh yes,
makeup?
that's very important.
Yeah.
There I have been always very consistent and very firm in my repeated reminders to the ladies that if they are lax in covering their face, they are only permitted it if they do not make up when they go out.
That's right.
Because on this, the Holy Quran is very specific.
Haram.
That do not make up, do not adorn yourself when you walk out in public.
That's right.
You see, do not show your zina.
That's right.
It also covers
That's
that.
in the Quran.
Yes, that's right.
That's right.
So there I advise Ahmadis, all right, if you're professionals, you have to adopt a comparatively lax attitude of Purdah, go ahead and do it. But don't make up. Don't make an effort to attract people to your beauty, not only to your beauty, but to beauty added upon beauty.
It's a sin.
Right?
It's a sin.
No,
According to
yes,
the
of course.
Quran.
It is violation of the Quran, so it is a sin of sort, of course.
Yeah.
So then I point out to a strange contradiction between this teaching and the practices we have learned from Western style of life. Most of the makeup used today is built or made in America or Hollywood or here and there. You know, they are following the fashion as dictated in the most modern style of life of the Hollywood girls and women, etc. The point is simply this. If you go out so beautifully adorned and well made up, and you do not cover yourself, you play havoc with the peace of every Tom, Dick and Harry. You are not cheap, we know, but you appear as if you were cheap. You are not cheap, but you appear as if you are available, while you are not available. So it is not at all a reflection on your chastity.